Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best printer for Mac, available on the market today. We have considered this list based on research, customers' opinion, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the best printer for Mac reviews, consumer ratings, and reports. Number 1. Canon Pixma TS3320. Wireless Connect provides a simple setup process, designed for ease of use and simple replacement. Easily print from any room with AirPrint. Effortlessly print from your iPhone, iPad, and Mac without additional apps. Number 2. HP Color Laserjet Pro. Built to keep your business moving forward. Best-in-class security. Automate complicated workflows. Print with or without a network. Speed through tasks. Enhanced energy efficiency. Toner cartridges you can trust. Number 3. HP Officejet Pro 8035. 8 months of ink, delivered. Organize documents 50% faster. Print remotely using HP Smart App. Self-healing Wi-Fi. Built-in security essentials. Sustainable design. Number 4. Brother MFCJ 995DW. Up to 1 year of ink in box. Ink vestment tank system. Eliminate ink replacement guesswork. Mobile device printing. For use with Brother genuine inks. Supported network protocols. IPv6. Number 5. Canon Selfie CP 1300. Print straight from your iPhone and iPad with AirPrint on your Canon device. Various print sizes for all your crafting needs. Canon color ink and paper set. Efficiently print high quality. To buy this product from Amazon at discount price, please check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.